finally happened. I was wondering how long it was gonna take, but it finally happened. I got my first warning on YouTube. It wasn't a strike, it was a warning for doing something they didn't like. Which I can show you what it is, but then I'd probably get a strike. Which it was a butterfly knife that I sharpened. It would have made a great video, I tell you. But apparently, in the first few seconds, here, demonstrate here. This is a file YouTube. It has no sharp edges to it. So if I really wanted to hurt myself with it, I'd start smacking myself in the head with it. But it has no sharp edges. So I had the butterfly knife. I was demonstrating how dull it was. It's dull. Okay, it's dull. And then I was like, but I did that same thing in sharpening my mom's knife. Then I realized I went like this across my face, and I probably did it. But I was like, oh, that's okay. Let's not make that same mistake again, shall we? And so no more being stupid with sharp objects, I guess. Kind of how that goes. See, when I was sticking to, say, making knives, like restoring stuff, like looking at the Milwaukee Magnum, sharing, like, all that, that's fine. Which apparently YouTube doesn't like dull knives, so I don't like dull knives either, but apparently YouTube doesn't like dull knives. But yeah, I thought it's kind of interesting. It kind of took that long. I said took sharp object and started. It didn't hurt me physically. It was dull, but I thought it was kind of funny. And so what do we learn from this? Not to do it again. Boy, you're not in this conversation whatsoever. 0. Thank you. But it was... I opened up YouTube to look at it. Warning. Oh, shoot. It was something about your content was taken down because of yada yada. Me doing that. I was like, here, let me look in a bit farther here and see what it was. And so I watched my video, watching it, and then because it was like bodily self-harm. Whatever it's supposed to mean. No, self-harm to the body. It was me taking the sharp object, and I was like, oh, I probably did it. Oh, okay. Something I would do, yes. That's how retarded I am, apparently. I'm still surprised it took like 150 odd some videos for YouTube to finally say, nope, we didn't like what you're doing. Nope. Strike. It was actually a warning, not a strike, but since it's your first time, we'll give you a warning. Hey, thanks. Thanks, YouTube. Might need a few more of those while you're at it too. No, I will not, because I learned from this mistake. Will I remember? No, but I learned. So, yeah. I'm not mad over it, but at least YouTube noticed me now. Unnoticed, they gave me a warning. They know I'm physically there. I'm not just a weird person out there with like 10 videos and like 2 subscribers now. Being bigger. YouTube knows it too. So it took down one of my videos. So half of me is like, yeah, I'm excited about it. The other half is like, why, you dumb, shut up. But that's all this video was today. It's not the most pleasant way to wake up, but it is a way. So, flight in the nose. And one on the camera, apparently. But, on another note, thank you so much for joining me. And like I said, this was a file and it has no sharp edges, so ain't gonna catch ya. YouTube, just let you know. If you don't believe me, you can look up ones on the internet too. They have files. But on another note, thank you. I'll see you again. Just to clarify, my wrist and hand are fine. Jesus. And we also learned from this that YouTube hates dull knives.